Let's go to Karen, and Sandy has been very patiently waiting, who has a question about what some of your concerns are. So Karen, you're on the line with Senator Lee.
My question is, we tell you what we're concerned about, but I'm wondering what you're most concerned about.
Okay, well, thank you for asking that question, Karen. You know, I think what worries me most about Washington is that we have lost sight of the fact that the Constitution's single most important feature was the fact that it split up power. It was designed to prevent the excessive concentration of power in the hands of the few. And it accomplished this in two ways. It split up power along two axes, along the vertical axis through what we call federalism, or the preservation of authority in the states. And it said that most power would remain with the people, where it's closest to the people, at the state and the local level. And that the federal government, or national government, would be in charge of just a few basic things, including national defense, establishing a uniform system of weights and measures, regulating trademarks, copyrights, and patents, and just a few other things. It wasn't supposed to be in charge of everything. It also split up power along a horizontal axis, where the legislative branch would make the laws. That's Congress. The executive branch would implement and enforce the laws faithfully according to the laws as they were written by Congress. The judicial branch, the courts, would be in charge of interpreting the laws where there were disputes as to the meaning of those laws. In recent decades, we've lost sight of both federalism and separation of powers. We've allowed for far too much power to rise to the top, to rise up to the federal level, where there are very few aspects of human existence that are no longer regulated by Congress. That's wrong. We need to return more of that power to the states. Within the federal government, we've allowed far too much of that power to be concentrated in the executive branch, where we effectively delegate most of our lawmaking these days to the executive branch. The problem with this is that most of the men and women writing most of the laws within the executive branch are not elected by the people. They're not even accountable to anyone who is elected by the people, and this is a problem. We need to restore separation of powers and federalism, and we need to do it through the ballot box. We need to elect men and women who are willing to stand by the Constitution according to what it says. What we also need is not just smaller government. We need bigger citizens, stronger families, more heroic communities. I trust the American people much more than I trust government. And this is why I'm behind this conservative reform agenda, which focuses on restoring the protections provided by the Constitution and doing so in a way that will ultimately inure to the benefit of the poor and the middle class.